Today, in pursuit of a wider cultural context, I'm turning my back on cathedrals and churches. This is Aziz, and he must have come as quite a shock to some of his fellow Bulgarians. In a predominantly conservative and homophobic country, you couldn't be much more out of line than a gay, gypsy transvestite. And as a result, he's wildly popular. I meet him with Maya, a local film director, as our translator. Were you encouraged by others around you, your mother, your father, to become a singer?
Да, майка ми беше от тези жени с болни амбиции.
His mother had some kind of sick ambitions.
Че детето й трябва да бъде мегазвезда.
Thinking that her child should be a megastar.
Нещо от сорта на Елизабет Тейлър и майка й.
Something like Elizabeth Taylor and her mother.
Но в един момент, заради моя происход от ромския,
but in one moment, because he is gypsy,
навсякъде вратите ни бяха затворени.
all the doors were closed in front of him.
Но казвам, това е било преди.
But that was before.
I mean, you're born and brought up a gypsy. Do you think the situation has changed for the gypsy community now?
Не е мръднало.
No, actually not. They are still so dirty and so miserable as they were.
When you were young, were you angry at the way you were treated as a gypsy?
Ами да, имаше хора, които...
Yes, there were people who obviously did it. They rejected him because of his race.
Майка ме водеше по кастинги като малък, с филмови кастинги.
His mother took him to film castings.
И никой не ме избираше заради цвета на кожата ми. Значи това не е тен.
And nobody took him because of the color of his skin. This is not a tan. It's a color of the skin.